Pensuco, short for the Pennsylvania Sugar Company, first purchased this pristine Florida Everglade wilderness in the early 1950s. Maurice Ferré, a prominent politician and business owner, bought the land, and under his company, Mall Industries, Ferré soon realized his ultimate vision of manufacturing cement. In the late 60s, twin kilns went online with a length of 520 feet and 13 feet in diameter, with a combined capability of producing 50 tons of clinker an hour. In the mid-70s, K3 went online. At 640 feet in length and 19 feet in diameter, it was designed to add another 90 tons of clinker an hour. K3 sported an indirect coal firing system that rendered K1 and 2 with their propane usage too costly to operate. These two kilns were soon shut down. K2 was brought back online once a direct coal firing system was installed. A horizontal ball mill fed raw material, creating a liquid with a density of 32 to 33%. Known in the industry as slurry, slurry filled 5 tanks, the two largest holding an excess of 4 million gallons of slurry each. Slurry was fed directly into the feed end of the kiln at up to 550 gallons per minute. In the smaller K2, the residence time was approximately 3 hours, while the residence time of the larger K3 would take about 4. A change section near the back of the kiln allowed for proper heat convection and lessened the chance for large formations of clinker. By the time Tarmac took over in 1986, the Pensuco plant had become outdated and in disrepair. It was one of only a handful of wet process plants still operating in the nation, and its age was easily apparent in its skyrocketing repair cost. In 2001, Titan arrived with new plans and ideas. We all watched in amazement as the new plant grew all around us. In June of 2004, the new dry process plant came online. Within a week, the old wet process kilns extinguished their flames for the last time. The demolition of the old pyro process followed quickly to make room for new projects such as the pack house. On December 2, 2007, the stacks that had stood as a sign of prosperity for 40 years imploded with the force of 120 pounds of dynamite, a symbolic end of the old that ushered in a new future.